This is our 9x42 Bridgeport Model J vertical mill. Machine is in really excellent condition. The head, very quiet. Everything as it should be. Good assortment of tooling. If the camera picks it up, you can see original flaking on the top of the table. Also, ways are excellent, which you can see in my pictures also. And bring the mill on. The bottom it'll knock out. Good, switching ranges. Speed. You can hear that click, always good. Back. This is our excellent 9x42 Bridgeport Model J vertical milling machine. Thank you for watching.